Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today I'm going to do a really quick, easy side dish. I had several people ask for more side dishes, and this is an easy one, and it can go on the Weeknight Wonders playlist as well. This is something that takes just a few minutes, literally just a few minutes. So what it is basically wilted, lightly sauteed with spinach and garlic. I add just a pinch of vinegar, a pinch of salt, and that's about it. And I don't overcook it. Spinach holds a lot of water, so it releases a lot of water when it cooks, and most people overcook it so it's a mushy mess. We're not going to do that today. I'm going to show you the optimum way to do this. So let's get started on our sauteed spinach. So the ingredient list is pretty easy. Spinach. Now, to do this right, you want to wash it and spin it down as much as you can to get all the moisture from it that you can. Some olive oil, some salt, some garlic, roasted garlic, and a little vinegar. So let's get to it. I added my oil and my garlic on the bottom, and I put in my spinach, make sure it gets coated good, and I'm going to cover it for 1 minute. Now I'm going to turn it. You can see the garlic in there. We're going to let it cover it and cook it again for another minute. Okay, she's nice and wilted. Drain off any excess liquid. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, like that, just a little bit. And I got this from my dad. That's how my dad used to always do it. He loves spinach. I'm going to add just a little drizzle, not much, of vinegar. I'm going to toss it a couple more times. And that's it. Okay, sauteed spinach is all done. And look, 2 bags. This is all that it made. That's enough, you know, for us to have it as a side with our dinner tonight, which is my homemade ham loaf and sweet potato casserole. So, but you can see it there. And you can see it's not all mushy and dried up, it's just wilted. And the flavor is just so much better this way. You're just a lot better off doing it this way. The stuff in the cans is disgusting. I can't stand it. If you use frozen spinach or even frozen chopped spinach, I drain it. I thought drain it and dry it to even use it. So this is just a lot better. Oh man, that has such good flavor too. A little touch of salt, a little touch of vinegar, a little touch of garlic. So, it's really good. So be like Popeye. Eat your spinach. It's good for you. That was, what, 3-4 minutes to make, tops. And you've got a nice side dish. Super healthy. Way to go. So there's another side for you. I'm going to add this also to my Weeknight Wonders, and sauteed spinach and garlic.